Namaste and welcome back to Typical Monk. We saw DNA become RNA. Now we see how 3 letters spell one amino acid and how the cell reads that message into protein, the genetic code and translation, one idea at a time. Here is today's path. 5 stops. First, the genetic code. Second, its features. Third, the start and stop codons. Fourth, tRNA, the adapter. And fifth, translation. First, the genetic code. The code is a triplet. Every codon is 3 bases that spell one amino acid. 4 bases in groups of 3 make 64 codons in all. Of these, 61 code for amino acids and 3 are stop signals. The code was deciphered by Nirenberg and Khorana. Khorana made synthetic RNA. Now, the features of the code. Degenerate, one amino acid may have several codons. Universal. The same codon means the same thing in nearly all life. Unambiguous. One codon codes for only one amino acid. Non-overlapping and commaless. It is read in one continuous frame. Now, the signals, the start and stop codons. AUG is the start codon, and it also codes for methionine. 3 stop codons, URR, URRG, URCR, code for no amino acid. The stops and translation. The ribome releases the finished protein. Now the molecule that links a codon to its amino acid, tRNA. Look at this picture. tRNA is the adapter. Crick predicted it. To link a codon to its amino acid. It folds into a clover leaf shape, and in 3 dimensions, it looks like an inverted L. Its anticodon loop reads the codon on the mine, and the other end carries the matching amino acid, a charged or aminosyl 3A. Now, RNA into protein. Translation. Translation reads the mine into a chain of amino acids at the ribosome. Charged donuts spring the amino acids, and peptide bonds link them in order. 3 steps: initiation, elongation, termination. The mine has untranslated regions, that is UTAs, at both ends, the 5' and 3'. Now, the high-yield pointers, the facts that NEET turns into questions. 1. The code is triplet, 64 codons, 61 for amino acids, 3 stop. 2. AUG is start, that is methionine, UAAUAG, UGAR stop, no amino acid. 3. The code is degenerate, universal, unambiguous, non-overlapping, and commaless. 4. tRNA is the adapter. From Crick, the anticodon reads the codon. It carries the amino acid. 5. Translation at the riboma, initiation, elongation, termination, UTAs at both ends. Now the first drill, assertion and reason. Each time, ask, is it true? Is R true? And does R explain A? First, A, the genetic code is degenerate. R, one amino acid, can be coded by more than one codon. Both are true, and R explains A, so the answer is A. Second, R are UG codes only for the start signal. RAUG has a single role in the cell. Here, A is false, and R is also false because AUG also codes for methionine. So the answer is C. Third, a tRNA acts as an adapter molecule. R, its anticodon, leaves the codon and it carries the amino acid. Both are true, and R explains A, so the answer is A. Now, the second drill, match the column. Make the correct pairing. A UG start, that is methionine. UAAUAG, UGA stop codons. The adapter molecule, 3A. And the ones who deciphered the code, Nirenberg and Khorana. Now the third drill. How many of these statements are correct? Check them one by one. First, there are 3 stop codons. This is correct. Second, the genetic code is ambiguous. This is wrong. Third, are UG codes for methionine. This is correct. So the correct statements, 2, that is, the first and the third. Now let's clear the mistakes students fall for. Myth: stop codons code for a special amino acid. Truth: stop codons code for no amino acid. Myth: degenerate means the code is unclear. Truth: it means one amino acid can have several codons, still unambiguous. Now test yourself. Answer each one before it is revealed. Answer first. That is how you build strong NEET recall. Question 1. How many codons in total? Answer: 64. Question 2. The start codon, a UG, that is methionine. Question 3. How many stop codons? 3. Question 4. The adapter molecule, tRNA. Question 5. The site of translation, the ribosome. Let's gather it all in one breath. The code is a triplet: 64 codons, 61 code, 3 stop. A UG is start, that is met, U, a G, U, R stop. The code: degenerate, universal, unambiguous, non-overlapping, commaless. tRNA is the adapter. The anticodon reads the codon, and it carries the amino acid. Translation at the ribosome: initiation, elongation, termination. In the next class, the lac operon, the Human Genome Project, and the full chapter drill. See you there. You have understood the journey from gene to protein. Be proud. One idea at a time, with a calm mind, and you will crack NEET. This is Typical Monk. Every class, always free.